And this is an example of a very simple and delicious breakfast which will keep your sugar levels very low. Nothing of this which you see will spike your sugar. There are 2 boiled eggs, some fresh cucumber, some olives, and this is a stuffed pepper. Yes, it is a red one. It's okay, you can have some red pepper. And what we do in Bulgaria, we stuff it with feta cheese, and this is deliciousness, with almond flour waffle. So this is putting this tray as it's going to the hospital to my friend to have breakfast, and her sugar levels will continue to stay normal. Let me show you what I have quickly prepared. So here it is a chopped pork, and then I stir fry it, and then added vegetables of my choice. If you want to be strictly low carb, you don't have to include the carrots, but I have 2 baby carrots which I chopped. And it will be alright if you share this in, let's say, 3 meals. It's nothing. So I put some 10% broccoli, some beans, green beans, and some cauliflower. Look how delicious it looks. I season it at the moment only with salt, but I will add some black pepper as well. And you can see a meal doesn't have to be difficult. It's like 15 to 20 minutes meal, and it will be absolutely delicious. And this is what's going to be for lunch. It's full of goodness. Everything is made from scratch. I've added some vegetable when I first stir fry some of the pork, and the vegetable we have here, a little bit of carrots, tender stem broccoli, cauliflower, and green beans. This will keep my friend satisfied until supper, and the sugar levels will not be spiked from any of these ingredients. So she will have this for breakfast and this for lunch, and she will love it, and her baby too.